Students, to make the poem easy to understand, I have divided the whole poem into 4 stanzas. Look, first stanza is driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse. First stanza is this. Second, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. This is the second stanza. And third, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon. Fourth stanza, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear, but all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. So, just as I have told you that to make the poem easy to understand, I have divided the poem into 4 stanzas and I will explain each stanza one by one. So, let us start with the first stanza. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse. In this poem, the poet Kamla Das is explaining about her mother. The age of her mother was 66. When Kamla Das saw her mother, she finds that her mother is aging. Aging is a continuous process. But still, when Kamla Das saw her mother at this stage, she is pained. Suddenly, she has developed a fear. It might be possible that she will leave her mother. Maybe she lost her mother. So, in first stanza, the poet had gone to visit her parents' home near Cochin. On Friday morning, she was returning. The poet Kamla Das has visited her parents' home, maybe to celebrate some holidays or to meet her parents. And now she is returning from her parents' home. That was last Friday. She was returning in a car and her mother was sitting beside Kamla Das in the car. On her way to the airport, she notices her mother sleeping beside her in the car. When she was driving the car and returning back from her parents' home to Cochin airport, she saw her mother who is sitting beside her in the car. She was sleeping. She was dozing. Dozing means sleep slightly. Sleep lightly means not complete sleeping, sleep lightly. So her mother was sleeping lightly, her mouth was open. Her face was pale. Pale means yellowish in color, dull, listless, just like a dead body. It perhaps expressed the pain she felt because of separation from her daughter. Actually, in this poem, in first line, the poet is saying that she has went to her parents' home, and now she is returning back. She has to take a flight. She is returning to take a flight from international airport, and her mother was also coming with her to see of her. They are in the car. The writer saw her mother who was sitting just beside the poet. Her mother's face was looking dull. She is dozing, means she is sleeping slightly. Her mouth is open. And here the poet has compared her mother with the dead body. Corpse means dead body. The poet is saying that her face is just looking like the grey ash of a dead body. Here, first simile is used. What is simile? Simile is a figure of speech which is used to compare two dissimilar things, and the word as and like is used. So first simile here is used here in this poem, student. यहाँ पोएट जो है वो अपनी पेरेंट्स के घर आई हुई थी छुट्टियां मनाने के लिए, लेकिन अब उन्हें वापस अपने घर जाना था। अब वो अपनी मदर के साथ, मदर जो उन्हें सी ऑफ करने के लिए एयरपोर्ट तक आ रही हैं, उनके साथ एक कार में बैठ करके एयरपोर्ट की तरफ बढ़ रही हैं, कोचीन एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जा रही हैं। एंड दैट वाज फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग, वो फ्राइडे की सुबह थी। आई सॉ माई मदर बिसाइड मी। पोएट कमला दास अपनी मदर को देखती हैं जो उनके बगल में बैठी हुई थी। शी वॉज डोजिंग, डोजिंग मीन्स ऊँघना, हल्की सी नींद उन्हें आ रही थी, वो ऊँघ रही थी। उनका मुंह खुला हुआ था और उनका फेस जो है वो ऐश, ऐश मीन्स राख, लाइक दैट ऑफ ए कॉप्स, कॉप्स मीन्स डेड बॉडी, जैसे डेड बॉडी को जला देने से या जब किसी भी पर्सन की डेथ हो जाती है तो उसका चेहरा नीला पड़ जाता है, उसी तरह से उनकी माँ का चेहरा जो है वो अपनी सारी ब्यूटी खो चुका है। इट इज़ लुकिंग डल एंड लीसलेस। तो यहाँ इस पोएम में पहला फिगर ऑफ स्पीच पोएट ने यूज़ किया है। प्लीज़ नोटिस द फिगर ऑफ स्पीचेस यूज्ड इन द पोएम। आई विल एक्सप्लेन देम once again at the end also. So this was the explanation of first stanza.